Hello, and welcome everyone to the very first lesson of our Canva course, Introduction to Canva and its Benefits. Canva is more than just a tool. It's a creative powerhouse that empowers you to design anything you can dream of. Whether it's a captivating social media post, a dynamic presentation, or a polished business card. So, let's dive in and explore the wonders of Canva together. What is Canva? Canva is a multimedia platform loaded with different design functionalities and features that allow you to create visual content, graphics, presentations, advertising materials, and branded social media content for your business or for personal use. The online tool offers users hundreds of professionally designed layouts and templates to choose from, but also gives you the option to create your own visuals from scratch. Canva is available both on desktop and mobile, both of which have free-to-use or paid versions. Users can edit their designs, upload them using a simple drag-and-drop system, as well as purchase physical products based on the layouts created. Canva can be used directly in your browser to create professional-looking visual content. It includes easy-to-use features like manipulating text, adding stickers or shadow effects, and layering images. You also have an entire library of fonts and stock pictures to choose from in order to create each design. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making a variety of tools and resources easily accessible. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of using Canva. Benefit number 1, ease of use. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes designing a breeze. You can simply drag elements like text, images, and shapes onto your canvas and customize them to your heart's content. Benefit number 2, templates galore. Canva offers a wide range of professionally designed templates for various purposes, saving you time and effort. Whether you need a social media post, a flyer, or a presentation, there's a template for you. Benefit number 3, customization options. With Canva, you have full control over your designs. You can customize colors, fonts, layouts, and more to make your designs truly unique and tailored to your brand. Benefit number 4, collaboration features. Canva lets you work with your team in real time, so everyone can edit the same design simultaneously. It's like having a virtual design studio where you can brainstorm, edit, and give feedback together no matter where you are. And finally, benefit number 5, accessibility. With Canva, you can design on both desktop and mobile devices, giving you the freedom to create wherever you go. Your projects sync across all your devices, ensuring you can pick up right where you left off, whether you're at your desk or on the move. So there you have it, folks. That's Canva in a nutshell, along with some of its fantastic benefits. I hope you found this lesson insightful and that it helps you on your design journey. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you the best as you continue exploring and creating with Canva.